Hello friends, and today I would like to share top 5 earning apps that you can earn easy money. So let's begin. At number 5 we have Paidwork. This is available in both Android and iOS. So this app helps you to earn money by different methods like by playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. So you can earn up to $150 per month from this app. Next we have number 4, which is b.com, which is also available in both Android and iOS. And in this app you just need to click on a button every single 24 hours. Basically, when you click the button, it starts mining and earns you credits called BE tokens. So you get your own crypto wallet in this app, and you can also deposit funds as well as you can withdraw money what you earn from it. So you can earn easy by just clicking a button every single 24 hours. Next on the list we have Paidwork. It is just like b.com, but this has higher community since Pi has over 30 million users, whereas b.com has only over 1 million. Paidwork is more developed than b.com, so it is kept at number 3. You just click a button to start mining. Number 2 we have Stormgain. This is a Bitcoin mining app which mines Bitcoin from your phone but in cloud. Basically, servers of Stormgain do all the mining and you just get some for clicking a button. You can then trade with the amount mined, basically $10, and once you get a lot of profit, you can withdraw or transfer your money since you cannot withdraw the mined money. The best feature about Stormgain is that they give you $50,000 as demo for practicing trading, so you can earn more and learn a lot. And last but not the least, number 1 we have Honeygain. I personally love Honeygain because it's amazing. I'm using it for a long time. Honeygain is most trusted and my personal favorite app for earning. Honeygain is nothing like the app we discussed earlier. Rather than clicking a button, you just keep it on the background and it will use your Wi-Fi for earning. We can also use cellular data or mobile data. What it does is use your Wi-Fi to help business transfer data like mining, but with your phone, and you can withdraw from your PayPal, Bitcoin wallet, and the most amazing is jump token. The reason I told amazing is because you get 20% more if you just withdraw from jump token, that is JMPT, and if you download from my given link, then you will get $5 sign up bonus. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now.